What is going on, guys? It's Arjun Racing back here with another YouTube video. Today we have the Mini GT Kaido House Datsun 510 Pro Street with us today. I'm super pumped about this purchase. It is my second Mini GT lineup in my collection, and I'm super amped to be able to share this with you. You see the opening hood? That's one of my most favorite things about this car, and I will get back to that shortly in this video. But first, let's have a look around the box. Really subtle, very nice, clean box. Really not a lot of sophisticated details or designs, just the simple branding all around the box. Amazing box. And yeah, I'm super pumped to have this. It's the purple variation. It was the last in the store, the last piece left, and I got it. I'm super happy that I managed to get it. And ooh, there is something in my nail, so let's try to get that out of there. Almost got it. There you go. But without further ado, there you go, the purple Mini GT from Kaido House. And we're just gonna, it's a very minimalistic box, and we're gonna try to remove it right now. And yeah, it almost comes out like an iPhone box, like it's like buying a new iPhone, which itself is insane. And yeah, so there's the base of the box, and there you go. We have the Mini GT series, the Datsun 510 Pro Street, and I just want to give a shout out to them for this amazing plastic cover, because I think this is amazing, especially because of the hood that I was telling you about. And it just protects the car very well. And we're gonna unbox, and there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. In a sec you'll see the full car, and oh my guys, look at that vehicle. Simply spectacular vehicle. I'm super pumped, and hopefully I'm gonna do a very thorough description of this car. I have a walkthrough, and hopefully you guys enjoy this video. If you do, please remember to give a thumbs up. But I just hope you guys enjoy this video. So without further ado, let us begin. You can right off the bat, you can see at the side of the car there's a lot of various decals, and the Yokohama tires, the Kaido House, the Advent tires. And they spin really well. They spin better than the Bugatti Vision GT that I have from Mini GT as well. And yeah, the front, the coil red decal at the front, at the splitter, the Kaido House logo at the windshield as well. Amazing paint job. There's not a lot of things, but it's amazing. On the passenger side, on the driver's side, I apologize, same little details. The Grady, the KNW, the Junma decal, as well as the other details in the car. So I honestly think this is an amazing vehicle. And I just want to point out, on the side there you can see the exhaust pipe. It's not anywhere else, so I'm assuming there's the exhaust pipe coming out from the front, which is insane little detail. It's a very subtle detail. I didn't notice it until now, and I think that's an amazing little detail as well. So super pumped, super nice vehicle. We will be getting back to the base in a bit, but yeah, let's just have a look around the back. I just want to point out this amazing, insanely looking spoiler at the back. I don't really know why. The 510 sticker at the back as well. But yeah, this very unique spoiler I'd say on this vehicle really makes it stand out from all the other cars I have. I'm not really sure what the writing is. I think that's in Chinese. Not really sure, but irregardless, I think this is an amazing vehicle. I super love this. Look at the flat out fenders, And yeah, we are gonna go through the interior in a bit as well, but let's look at the base before we get into that. So the base has this really purple looking base, almost like iridescent, but I'm not really sure what it's actually called. But yeah, we have the Kaido House logo, the Mini GT logo, made in China, the 1971 Datsun 510 writing as well. So it's really amazing. The other thing I want to point out is the tires, guys. Look at that girth nation compared to the front tires. You can see how thick they are, the ones at the back. It's almost like a drift car tires, a drift car setting, and I think that is insane. And in a bit, we're going to move on to the hood, which by far has to be the most favorite thing of the car. So ladies and gentlemen, look at that. The yellow hood cover with that silver engine. And there you go, with some flash, some lights to properly just show you all the little details inside the vehicle. The nitty gritty details, to the inch. I think this is an amazing piece of work. Amazing job done by Kaido House and Mini GT to come up with this series of cars. Let's look at the interior as well. You can see the red bucket seats, the golden roll cages, as well as the steering wheel. Really amazing. They didn't try to overdo it, but I think it was perfectly done. I think all the details, the paint job. Let's take a look at that. Oh my god, guys, let's appreciate that paint job on this vehicle as well. That glossy paint, truly amazing. And it's purple, so I know Stradman would be proud. But yeah, honestly, I'll give this car a 10 out of 10. It has to be my best purchase. So this is the other mini GT that I was telling you about. That's the Bugatti Vision GT. So that's a hypercar, and what we have here is a Japanese import. So you tell me, which team are you on? Are you a hypercar kind of person, or are you a Japanese import kind of guy? I honestly think I'm both. I mean, I love my hypercars. Like Koenigsegg's, Pagani's, Lamborghinis, Ferraris, Bugattis. But at the same time, I also like my Japanese import vehicles. The GTR, the Datsun, for example. We have the Mitsubishi Evos. So those are really iconic vehicles. And yeah, I'm super pumped to have this car. This is an insane car. This also has to be the most expensive vehicle in my collection by far. And I do have a lot of vehicles in my collection. I mean, it is a relatively new collection, but still. Let's just open the hood again, because we just want to flex that engine bay. We just want to flex this vehicle. I mean, look at that. How can you not flex that? So yeah, guys, let me know what you thought in the comments below. And if you guys liked, please subscribe to this channel for more unboxing and reviews. But yeah, let's just enjoy some few rolling shots before we end off this video. And just like that, this video is over. I hope you guys had an amazing time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, subscribe, and follow me for more content. But just like that, this video is over and I'm out. Bye.